Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. It seems like there's a lot of razors out there, but time and again I have gone back to this BIC Soliel Simply Smooth 3-bladed razor. One of the reasons why I like this particular razor is because not only does it have the 3 blades and the moisture strips, but the handle is firm, the head is firm and strong. It doesn't move around whenever you're using it. And that works for me in certain areas because sometimes it's hard when the head shifts or moves around to get to particular areas to get that hair. So if you're looking for a razor that is going to be sturdy and durable and as well as strong and firm, I definitely recommend these razors. I'm a big fan. Plus, I like the fact that it comes in a pack of 8 and it comes in different colors. So whether you have to switch them around often or different members of the families can use them, I highly recommend them. And that is just my point of view.